So you are seeing an error on ChatGPT which is, sorry, you have been blocked. If you believe it was a mistake, please contact us through our help center. So if you are seeing this error, this video is for you. Now the solution is very extremely simple. You are just doing one mistake. You are trying to access ChatGPT by using a VPN. Just turn off your VPN or proxy, whichever you are using, and you will stop seeing this error which you are encountering. But there may be another problem. You may be using a VPN because ChatGPT may not be available in your country, so you are urged to use a VPN service. So now if you turn on the VPN, you get this error. And if you turn off the VPN, you have the country restrictions. So for overcoming this issue, I have already made a video. The link is mentioned in the description of this video and the end screen of this video as well. You can go watch out that video and know that how you will access ChatGPT in that condition. But if you don't have the country restrictions and ChatGPT is open in your country, then just turn off your VPN and you will stop seeing this error and you will start using the ChatGPT smoothly again. But there may be another problem. You turned off your VPN and you even don't have the country restrictions, but still you see this error. Then what you have to do? You can then simply just switch your browser or device temporarily. Try accessing ChatGPT on another browser or another device, and if your account is working on that device or on that browser, just keep using there, and after some time just log in back in the same browser or device and you will start using ChatGPT again smoothly. If you have any of the questions, let me know in the comments. Go watch out this video for getting rid of country restrictions. See you in that video there. Thank you so much.